Welcome back, Labster Quest Barbecue Show. Another episode with my very good friend.
My gloves are that.
That's okay. We'll get your gloves on.
Okay. All right. Sorry.
He's a guest.
You know who's the amateur here, right?
All right, Dr. Sylvain Charlebois, the food professor. My podcast partner and good friend, we're here for another episode. And actually, we took this recipe for a test drive once. We were going to make it as a show, but it was super cold.
It was 20 degrees?
It was a terrible day.
Just a few weeks ago.
It was just a few weeks. It was crazy. Yeah. So what we're doing today is Tarragon butter chicken with, now last time we made it with brandy. This time we're going to make it with a little bit of the gift you gave me, which is the Grappa.
Yeah.
So
what? The
brandy is all gone. Now, I'm calling this also the BOGO chicken because we were at Longo's. We got 2 for 1 BOGO chickens.
Yeah.
Two little chickens. One for my mom, one for us. We got fresh Tarragon.
Yes.
And it needs lots of butter. So whose butter are we using? Lactalis.
Lactalis.
On the chicken as well from our good friends at All Barbecue Canada, we got Cattleman's Grill Ranchero. If you watch the show, you'll know I like to put this on pretty much all poultry for all recipes. It's not called for technically in this recipe, but we're gonna put it on anyway. So it's gonna be a delicious Tarragon roast chicken. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get going. How are those chickens looking?
Those are lovely chicken.
Nice little chickens.
Lovely chicken.
Lovely little chickens. Just the perfect size. All right, so let's put those chickens up here. I'll get you a knife. And let's use this one because it works pretty well, a Dale Strom knife. And just really cut it up really fine as you go. And watch your hands, that's a sharp, super sharp knife. Now while Sylvain's doing that, I'm gonna put a little bit of Camelina oil on our chickens just for a little binder. There we go, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I'll put the seasoning on while he's cutting that up. Once again, we're using Cattleman's Grill from All Barbecues Canada. It's my favorite chicken seasoning.
Yummy.
Lots of chunks of salt. My good friend Andrew Turner used this and he found it a bit too salty, but the trick is you actually have to turn the bottle up. The big chunks of salt stay on top and the little ones goes to the bottom, so you need to give it a bit of a spin.
Can you smell the tarragon?
I can smell the tarragon. It smells amazing.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. That's
good?
Yep, that's fine. Doesn't need to be, so lay that sideways here. Like the knife, you can put the knife there.
Oh,
just to keep us blade away. That's the technique apparently.
Yeah. Okay.
And finish seasoning up this little chicken here. We'll do that together. I'll pat that in.
Okay.
Keep going, keep going. That's good. All right, perfect. Now we'll just let that set a spell.
Yep.
And now the next task, take this butter. What kind of butter is it? President?
Low palm oil. Yes.
So take that butter and open it up, and then we're gonna mix it together with the tarragon.
It's incredibly soft already, eh?
Yeah, I took it out for a little bit. It's there you go. Put all the tarragon in there and paddle it all together.
All right.
Perfect. There you go. And then, just mix that all in. I think that's a good amount of butter for the 2 little chickens.
Yep.
It'll take a bit of work to mix those in.
Do you always eat President's butter?
Not always. Sometimes I use a grass-fed, but I find for recipes like this, the creaminess matters.
Yeah, right.
While you're doing that, I'm going to go get our pans, because then we put it on and we do some roasting with it.
Yes, and it's going to smell great.
All right, how's it going?
I think it's pretty mixed up.
It's all mixed up.
There you go.
All right, yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good.
There you go.
Very good. All right.
See?
Beautiful.
Not bad, eh?
Not bad, not bad. Look at you, chefing and everything.
All right.
All right, so what we want to do now is divide that in half, because we got 2 birds. You do one and I'll do one.
Okay.
And put some gloves on, because it's kind of messy.
I can do both, because you don't have gloves, so.
Oh, well, sure.
I like playing with my food. So I just rub it?
Yeah, just rub and pat it all over the outside. It feels like a lot, but you know, look at that.
Butter and tarragon.
I'm sure our friends at Lactalis love this recipe. Yeah, just a little gently so you don't knock off too much of the season. Just kind of spread it around as much as you can.
Underneath as well?
No, the underneath part it'll all.
No? Okay.
It'll all just melt away.
Okay, I'll be gentle.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just spread it around. It's going to melt down on it anyway.
Oh, yeah. Chicken.
Yeah.
That's a lot of butter.
It's a lot of butter. That's okay. It's tarragon. Keep spreading it as much as you can. Break up some of this and put it over there if you can. Yeah, that's it.
I think that's good, huh?
All right.
What do you think?
I think that's good.
All right.
All right. Seems like a lot, but that's okay. Now, what I'm also going to do is put a little more seasoning on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little, not too much. Just a little more seasoning on that, just to finish it off.
Just to brag a little bit more.
Just to, you know,
Yeah.
use more.
Now, you're super generous with spices and sauces, huh?
Yes.
You don't measure anything.
No.
You just
I just
go with your gut.
Go with the gut, and maybe I'm too generous. So let's get over to the Crown Verity.
Do I still need my gloves?
No, you do not need your gloves anymore. All right, so we're gonna open up the Crown Verity, which is too hot actually, but it'll cool down quick. It's hot here, but I've turned the burners down in the center. Hot, hot, so put it right here, the two of them right here sideways.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Put that all the way to the back. And that's it, close it up. Oh, one thing I forgot to do, I always forget to do, is put in the meter.
Oh, yes.
The thermometer. So this remote thermometer is pretty cool. You got to get it to this line. It tells you both the ambient temperature and the temperature of your product on your
People
app.
on the space station can tell you if it's ready. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
It doesn't work very
excellent.
well on the Yoda though. The metal's too thick,
Oh, no.
which I discovered.
But
And
it works here.
It works here, but you got to be careful not to put it in the cavity, if you know what I mean. There. All right. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Good chef burn. There's a chef burn.
There you go.
All right, close her up.
Yep.
And we are good.
All right. And one.
That's for the blooper reel.
It's right.
Right? That's the blooper reel. Oops. All right, here we are. We got both our chicken, and check out those potatoes. Look at those. We're going to see how those are going to be.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so take a bite.
I'll start with the potatoes.
Start with the potatoes. Honest assessment.
Here you go.
There you go. Are they good?
Yeah, you can taste the Parmesan.
Yeah, I put
And
Parmesan.
the cream, very creamy.
Very creamy.
Yeah, very nice and
Very
smooth.
good. Very
Absolutely.
good. Very good.
Let's try the chicken.
All right, let's try the chicken.
Absolutely.
Tarragon chicken, a little grappa. How's that? Oh, all right, we got a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Oh yeah, the butter is just, and the tarragon and the spices, all the mixture makes a big, big, big difference.
Tarragon,
Delicious.
delicious, and a little bit you had it with our purple potatoes. But try it all worked great, and thanks again to my great partner and friend, Dr. Sylvain Charlebois, for doing this.